Woo! Oh my God, that feels good. Hey everybody, so big day today. We're starting the work on putting the air conditioner in the truck. So the plan is that it's going to go inside of this cabinet. So if you can imagine, kind of right there is where the air conditioner is going to be. So I'm out here kind of playing a little game of kind of Jenga or something like that, where the things that were in this cabinet that can no longer be in the cabinet have to go somewhere else. So I'm figuring out where I can put specifically this ladder. Now this used to lay perfect fit right in here. It actually had to go in, like you had to put one end in first and then put the back end in. And so my first thought was that it could go around the other side in where the spare tire is. So I opened the door, and heck yeah, there's just enough depth right there between the tire and the door. So it's just a hair too big. So the other idea was, as you can see, moving it up here to where I've got the water closet. So the cabinet is just deep enough for the ladder to fit in like this. So here's the unit that I picked out. This is a GE 5050 BTU. Really strange, they're usually 5,000 or 6,000, but this one's listed as 5050. Although other places it says 5,000, so it's a 5,000 BTU air conditioner. It has a remote control, has the digital control panel. I really didn't want the ones with just the manual turn knobs. I wanted the digital panel. It gives you a lot more control. It's pretty cool. This is my first look up inside behind the wall. So this is where the Wizard of Oz lives, you know, behind the curtain. So you see there's a few dusty cobwebs hanging in there, but overall, you know, just some little bit of dust, and that's about it down in there. I'm surprised. I don't know what I was expecting, but Hey, what are you doing with that camera? Okay, we gotta move the camera. Lefty has plopped himself right in the work area. I gotta get you some safety glasses and a hard hat. I don't know. Do you need a hard hat? Because this knucklehead right here. So now it's coming up with a solution to put some beauty trim on this. I want to tilt it back in a little bit and then put a holding trim up here that will hold it right in that position. So it's supported out back. I put the shelf up in the cabinet. I was just looking to see if I could somehow utilize this piece, but I don't know. I might have to take a run over to Home Depot and Lowe's and see what kind of beauty trim I can find. I'd probably be riding over there this afternoon to see if I could find something. I let Lefty take a break inside from the heat. Hi. Are you kidding me? You're laying there barking. That's a yes? How do you even bark while you're laying down? I didn't know you could bark laying down. I thought you had to stand up. I don't know if you can hear that, but we got AC running. I just turned on the inverter and hit the button. And it turned on. It's showing a 19% load. I have fairly decent solar right now, but it is intermittent clouds, so it's not going to be 100%. I'm going to shut the door. I turned off the fan, closed the windows. There's a nice breeze blowing through the cabinet here. Okay, so it's expelling most of the air straight out the back. Yeah, there's nothing coming out of the side or top vent. It's all blowing out the back, so these must be intake. And that works good. So this is expelling, you know, I can feel the warm air blowing out this far, which means it's pulling cool air. So the batteries are showing 99.9%. They went down 0.1%, and they're sticking there. So I'm assuming as long as the sun is 100% on the batteries, on the solar panels are running the air conditioner. So it's running at 99.9% battery. Let's turn these vents forward. Unfortunately, they don't have any up and down. They only have a side to side. So it's already dropped 6 degrees. It was 95 when it first turned on. It's on econo mode, low right now. Boy, that feels good. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my God, that feels good. Wow. I gotta figure this out. The plug on the cord is such a moose, it won't fit on my outlet. There's not enough room. So I had to run this short extension cord, which I don't like doing extension cords on appliances like this. So this is just for testing purposes. I want to be clear about that. Obviously, I want to run it permanently. Still at 99.9%. So, I do want to come up with a better sealing system to block off the front. And mind you, I don't have the windshield cover on up there because that would keep that cab temperature down. Man, that air feels good. Holy moly. I never thought this was going to be possible. That feels so good. I just got to finish up the beautification trim. So we're down to 86, so it's come down 9 degrees so far. And again, I'm on, trying to block the wind from that ice cold wind. It's on eco mode, low. Still at 99.9%. So the solar panels are running the air conditioner. Oh, 99.8. Yeah, see, it's getting overcast. So it's losing its 100% charge. I can see that here. Yeah, see, it's dropped down 20 volts because of the clouds. Oh, this is a great spot right here. Cool air's blowing right on me. Thank you everybody for watching the video and watching me do what was a really great thing for the truck. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Leave us a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see everybody real soon. Everybody take care and be good.